Welcome to POSable. In this video, we'll look at the inventory section of the back office and how it can help you track ingredients, monitor stock levels, and improve inventory accuracy. The inventory section is designed to keep track of the items that make up your products, such as coffee beans, milk, bread, butter, and fresh produce. We'll start with categories. Categories help organize your inventory into groups that make sense for your business. For example, a cafe might separate inventory into hot drinks, perishable produce, and deli items. Next, we have items. Inventory items connect directly to your products and allow POSable to track how much stock is being consumed through sales. When creating an item, simply enter the name, select a base unit, assign a category, enter your supplier information, and set a reorder level. The reorder level helps you identify when stock needs replenishing before you run out. Once you've created your inventory items, the next step is to connect them to the products that use them. This is what allows POSable to automatically track inventory consumption as products are sold. In this example, our latte uses two inventory items, milk and coffee beans. To configure this, open the product, select Edit, and enable Uses Inventory Consumption. You can then add the inventory items used by the product and specify the quantity consumed. For our latte, we enter 200 milliliters of milk and 9 grams of coffee beans. Now, every time a latte is sold, POSable will automatically deduct these amounts from inventory. This creates accurate stock records without the need for manual calculations and allows inventory reports to reflect actual product usage. The Purchases section is used to receive deliveries and add stock into inventory. As stock arrives, simply record the quantity received, supplier cost, and invoice reference. POSable updates inventory levels instantly and creates a complete purchasing history for every item. This helps you track supplier deliveries, monitor stock costs, and maintain accurate inventory records across your business. Sometimes stock levels need to be adjusted. The Adjustments section allows you to record damaged stock, waste, spillages, theft, expired products, or stock corrections. Each adjustment is recorded against the item, helping you identify recurring issues and improve stock control. Next, we have stock counts. Stock counts are designed for inventory audits and physical stock checks. If the actual quantity differs from the expected quantity, simply record the count, and POSable will update the inventory level while maintaining a record of the adjustment. Inventory Movements provides a complete history of all inventory activity. You can review purchases, adjustments, and stock counts either across all inventory items or filtered by a specific item. Finally, we have inventory reports. The low stock report highlights items that need reordering. The valuation report shows the current value of your inventory, and the reconciliation report helps identify discrepancies between expected and actual stock levels. Together, these tools provide complete visibility of your inventory, helping reduce waste, improve purchasing decisions, and maintain accurate stock records. Thanks for watching.